I love these bowls. These are a great size for a serving of pho, which is like my favorite soup. It's deep enough to hold all the noodles and vegetables, and yet small enough that you can hold it in your hand and sip. They're very pretty. Porcelain. They've made it through the dishwasher now twice. The only complaint I have when running through the dishwasher is that this lip holds water if you put them up in the top wrapper like that. So half of my dishes do that, so that's no problem. So now I just remember to stick them in the bottom rack like that. They're just pretty to me and make eating enjoyable.